up YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we are going to be unboxing another product from Klipsch. This is the RP-6000F 6-inch woofer, ceramic metallic, 90 by 90 loaded horn. This is basically middle of the road. They have the 4000, 5000, 6000, and this is the 8000. And of course they have the RF7s too, in the Heritage line. But on the entry-level products, this is a very good product at a very good price. So I'm going to start by unboxing this product. I would like to let you guys know that we are an authorized reseller of Klipsch, and we are a direct dealer. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee on all of these products. If you're looking to purchase, make sure you give us a call. First thing you're going to see whenever you open up this is the Klipsch manual and registration card. You'll need to purchase from an authorized reseller if you want to register the product and be covered under warranty. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to flip this box over, which will make it a little bit easier to get out of the box. All right, quite a bit of packing material in there. That's good. So one thing I want to point out, this is the reference Premier series. They have an old reference series that's still being sold. It's an 8-year-old model. This is brand new, or was brand new, 2018, we're in 2019 now. The speaker itself just looks a lot better as far as like the quality of the build, and even like the casters that they put on the bottom. It's a really solid like steel metal versus before it was just a little plastic one. Something to note, you know, it's definitely a better build. And this is the ash black color. It does come in other color options like walnut and cherry. That's something that you're interested in. The black is probably my best seller. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Okay. Nice magnetic grill. Draw it off. Ooh. And they really did a nice job on the design of this speaker. I love the look of the ceramic metallic woofers in combination with this little orange ring that they added in this model, as well as around the tweeter. Looks really sharp. This grill, if you don't want to see it, just clings right onto the front like that. I'm going to leave it off so that I can show you guys the speaker. Reference Premier. Very nice finish. This is ported. This can be used bi-wired as high and low if you so choose to do so. We're going to be using this with the plates in, so just one set of speaker wires going to it. Okay guys, well that concludes the unboxing of the RP-6000F Floorstanding speaker from Klipsch. If you would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We are a Klipsch direct dealer. Make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to help you. If you live in Dallas, we can also do the installation for you. We are local, family owned, 5-star rated. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.